Hi, and welcome to the Danville Public Library Children's Room. It's Nancy, and this week we're celebrating bees for National Honeybee Day. So this week I'm going to show you how to make the craft, which you can pick up at curbside or inside. It'll be a bag just like this. It'll have everything you need in it. It will have your reading log, so you can get some points for reading. If you're interested, you can come in and go to story time. You just have to register online, 10 o'clock on Tuesdays. And remember, we're open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So everything you need is in the bag. So you'll take out the little bag inside, and inside the bag will be this little thing. And make sure you put the mouth up unless you're having a sad day, and then it can be a frown. But I like a happy. It's got wings, it's got some red hearts, it's got some black hearts. It's got a pipe cleaner for some antennas, and then it's got these black strips, which I'm just going to take apart. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is kind of fold your pipe cleaner in half, because it comes like this. You want to fold it in half, and then we're going to attach some little hearts to it. So just kind of punch those out. I'm going to make them kind of a red heart on top of a black heart, but you don't have to do that. You can make yours special just the way you like it. They all have their foam with the adhesive backing, so all you have to do to make them stick is peel off just like a sticker and stick it right red heart on top of the black heart. And then I'm going to stick them to my little antennas here. Just going to stick one on one end, that's one, and one on the other one for two. And there's my little antennas. And now we have to put the antennas on the bee. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this nice long piece of adhesive like this, and I'm just going to kind of figure out where the center is and just kind of put that up from the smile. But you know, it's okay, because every bee is unique, so your bee can look like just the way that you want it to. And I'm just going to kind of push it around like that, and then I'll take my little antennas and kind of stick them on with the back side of this adhesive right here, just like that. So I have little antennas, or you can push them together or further apart. You have some wings like this, and this white piece has two sticker things to pull off. So you're going to pull off one and stick it on the back, and then when it's on the back, you're going to take the other side off just like that, and then you're going to stick your wings just like that. And now I think my bee needs some eyes, so you have some little eyes in there, and they should also, this can be a little tricky sometimes finding the edge, but you just need to find the edge and take the little thing off of here as well. I've almost got it. There we go. Just that little piece to come off the eye, just like that. And then let's see. I think we need an eye right there. And I like a bee with two eyes, so I'm going to do this other one too. But you know, like I said, maybe your bee is special and just has one eye. That's okay too. Maybe another eye right like that. Nice little smile. Alright. Then we just need some more stripes for this bee. So I'm just going to take this next piece and take the adhesive off, and again, if you want to, you can kind of line it up with the smile like this, or you can put it any way you want to. So just kind of push it down, and then it goes around and under the wings, like so, and around and under the wings. And then I want another little stripe, so I'm going to put another one at the bottom. So I'm just going to kind of put it down here and just kind of press it down and around to the back, down and around to the back. And then comes the fun part, just decorating it with some more hearts. I think this time I'm going to do it the opposite. I'm going to put a black heart on my red heart, just like that, one on top of the other. And then I'm going to stick this red heart right in the middle. And there you go. Like I said, all of the things that you need are going to be in the bag. Directions are in the bag. In case you missed this video, you can follow the directions on here. We sure hope you come and visit us soon. Bye for now.